I'm traveling to every state in the US, starting with number 1 and going up to number 50.
But before we need to start at the beginning. Everything started in 2015. I started to dream about the world and I started to realize the world is bigger than just my town in Germany. The years went by, I traveled with my family through Europe, I finished elementary school and I grew up. Then in 2019 I finalized my project to go on an exchange year.
But then 2020, Corona hit the world, pushed the world into lockdown.
This changed everything. The organization cancelled my program and it seems it's impossible to achieve my dreams. After 2 years of losing connections and being under lockdown,
finally the world opened slowly, and it seems 2022 is my year to go one step in the direction to achieve my dreams.
High school in the US, and with that the first state of my list, California. But this will be a different video, on adventure to reach every state.
So let's start with the first episode of my traveling adventure through America.
Welcome to our first state. Today we are traveling to Hawaii.
I'm not traveling alone. On this special experience, I'm traveling with my dad.
Hawaii is a state with a rich history, so let me introduce you to the history of Hawaii. The first settlers were Polynesian and came around 1000 AD. In 1810, King Kamehameha united the Hawaiian Islands and became the first king of Hawaii. After a long time of remoteness, the first missionaries arrived in Hawaii in 1778 and spreaded Christianity. Later, Americans created lucrative businesses with the majority of money on the islands, but they only made 3% of the population. After the death of the king, his sister Liliuokalani became queen. With this dramatic change, the influence of Americans became bigger and bigger, and later they overthrew the Hawaiian queen. With that, the Americans made the way that Hawaii can enter the United States at the 50th state. After the Pearl Harbor attack, Hawaii was an important military location as well as an economical location.
Yo, Mark 9. They really don't think we can keep doing this. They don't think we can keep making hits about cameras. But I'm the cameraman. But I'm the cameraman. Stay creamy. Yeah, I started on a 50 mil lens. Now I'm about to bag 50 mil yen. I can shoot all day, I got stamina. Turtleneck on with my camera, yeah. Stay creamy, man, that's what they say. Shoes laced up and I came to play. Yeah, I'm first team, I'm a superstar. They call me Cream, like Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, you have to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like it's a vaccination. I don't have the patience, I'ma shoot right now. Yeah, we undefeated and you gon' lose right now. Like click, click.
At the second day, we took off with the Bronco to the west side of the island to explore the beautiful views and to see how the countryside of this island is. On day 3, we are on the way to the most remote and most beautiful location, in my opinion. It's a wonderful beach near a military base on the northwest side. After a long day of singing and swimming and getting sun, we're on the way to a restaurant to eat some steak and then ending the day in the wonderful night. Day 5 is the last day of our adventure. This day we are exploring the east side of the island and having fun at the wonderful cliffs and jumping in the water.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
This side of the island has the most beautiful beaches because the water is crystal clear blue and you can go swimming because there's a big river in the front.
Let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are fine. Now the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets sing.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, you can like and subscribe. See you next time. Stay positive. Bye.